What's up, guys? Spider here. Oh my god, why isn't the game loading? Well, anyways, it's been a long time since I have recorded. And the reasons why I have not recorded is because of school, guys. School. Okay, so anyways, playing Black Clover. Then I love Black Clover. Yeah, and I know some of you give me a lot of hate. Yeah, I mean there are sometimes they're like that it sucks, but most of the time it's okay. Okay, so if this game will load, oh my god, guys, I'll be back when this game load. Okay, and we're back. So today I'm gonna teach you how to level up faster in Black Clover. In Black Clover the game. So first you need this app called Micro Recorder or something, which is this app. Micro Recorder. I'll put the link down in the description. So first you press record and then start gonna do whatever you do. See? Keep on pressing this. And I'm gonna do defense. Okay, then stamina. And then speed. And then I say stop because I'm done. And then you press stop recording. And then after that, this shows up and then you just play. And guys, I'm not doing anything now. I'm not doing anything, I promise. See, I'm gonna clap my hands right now to prove that. You see, I'm clapping my hands. See, I'm not doing anything. See, okay. So I'm just gonna see, I'm not doing anything. See, in just each levels, this is how you AFK train in Black Clover. That's what I'm gonna call this title, AFK train. I think probably. See the stamina run that I did. And then the speed. And then I press done because I'm done. See. And there, okay guys, I'm back in controls. You hear the key tapping? Yeah, I'm back. So yeah, that is the best. That is the good way. Oh my god, really guys? So guys, that is the best way to level up on Black Clover. And see, I gained 1 level. See, so that's the best way to level up in Black Clover, my guy. Yeah, Black Clover. So guys, make sure to like, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and give me things to record too. Bye. What's up, my yard?